Tonight we're celebrating a film that we call BEARTREK, and it's about 4 species of bears, 4 different regions of the world.
Filmed in Peru, Borneo, the Canadian Arctic and Alaska, 4 different bear species, and the biologists who are trying to save them, who've made it their lives to bring attention to these bears. It's a powerful feature-length documentary. You know, our partnership with the European Nature Trust has been awesome. In fact, they're like family to us. You know, I've known Paul Lister for years, and I've got involved in a few of their projects, and they've supported us along the way. It's just lovely that it's Tent that's putting on this event now and bringing BEARTREK to London.
From evenings like this can sprout ideas and maybe funds, energies, but also to make network and to meet kindred spirits and people care for what I care for.
Events like this pull so many people together, people who are new to conservation and also people who have influence.
Rolls-Royce came in touch with the European Nature Trust, and it sounded like a cause that we want to support as well, and a great continuation to our partnership.
Getting people aware of what's going on out there is super important. Unless people know about an issue, then there's nothing that we can do about it.
What we're hoping for at the end of the day is that more people connect to nature, and that is the theme of what the European Nature Trust is all about.